worshiping, of lifting up my own name and lifting up me being famous and being great and this, that, the other. It's got into the churches. So these pastors and these preachers and these teachers are going to be judged. They're going to be judged not only for what they say, but also for what they do not teach. So again, if you go back to this Revelations chapter 9, we brought out on our previous program verse 21. Speaking of the word sorcerers, we talked about how the sorcerers hold the idea of the pharmacy, pharmaceutical drugs, the drug-given potion, the pharmacist. I believe that all this has a great impact on the people's minds. We live in a society where a lot of the Christians have so many mental medications, have so many drugs to the point that they become incoherent. Does that make sense? They become to a state in their mind where they can't even think clearly anymore. And I think it's important